Hello, hola, hallo, hola, bonjour. So, my name is Jake Miller, or Me llamo es Jake Miller, and I have two questions I want to answer for you up front. First of all, why did I say hello in so many different languages? How do I know those languages? Because I really don't know them. I'm going to show you that in a second. And second, why am I sitting in my car outside of the Under Armour store at Aurora Farms outlets? Well, let's answer that one first. First of all, it is 4:49 on May 4th. May the 4th be with you. And this video is due in 11 minutes, and I totally forgot to record it because I've been so busy with testing and things like that. So here I am in the parking lot at Aurora Farms where I came to return the shirt my wife got me for my birthday that was too short and too wide on me, because if you meet me in person, you'll know that most clothes are too short and too wide because I am tall and scrawny. Anyhow, the other thing that I wanted to answer for you is, why am I talking in so many different languages? Well, it's because I want to show you how Google Translate works in Google Sheets. So on this spreadsheet you see here, I've got in the first column English, hello, and in the second column I've got this formula in here, equals Google Translate, and then the A2 tells me what cell it's translating from, so it could just be actual words in there, but it's telling me what cell in my spreadsheet to translate. The second tells me what language that stuff is in, so EN means English, and the next thing tells me what language to translate it to, and ES means Spanish. So here I've got, I'm going to mess up my formula up here. So there I've got it in Spanish. Now if I click over here, A2 in English to German, which is DE. Here, A2 in English to Portuguese, which is PT. And here, A2 in English to Chinese, which is ZH. I don't even know what that says. And over here, A2 in English to French, which gives me bonjour, so FR there. To get those letter codes, I just Googled two-letter language code, and this was the first result, and it gives me all the codes for all the languages that are in existence. And this formula will work for any language that Google Translate already works for, which is something like 110, somewhere in that ballpark. So just about any language that you have an incoming student that speaks, and just about any language that you are teaching your students to speak. So this is a really nice way to make vocab lists for students. And if you watch here, if I add the word cheeseburger here, and I take all these formulas and I grab this little dot here, the fill handle, and I pull it down a notch, you'll see that it applies that formula to what's in B2 now. I'm sorry, A3 now. So here we've got a hamburguesa con queso. In German, apparently it's just cheeseburger. In Portuguese, it's X-burger. What the what? And in French, it's cheeseburger. I think maybe some of these words didn't work in there. So let's put in computer and bring it down for computer. If you look on my site, jakemiller.net, you'll see a post that I've linked to. If you go back to this post about Google Translate, you'll see a post I've linked to from a guy online named Don Yerkes, who's a great guy to follow on Twitter, who cleaned this formula up and made a really nice sheet that could be a vocab list for students, but you could see how you could just use this formula yourself. You could also then take it into something like flippity.net and create flashcards out of this stuff, or just for English language learners, they could use this to keep track of the words that they're learning, whether they're vocab words or just life words. So, hold on. Adios. Auf Wiedersehen. Ciao. Au revoir. Goodbye. Peace out.